yang berada di dalam kereta api. Suara tulisan வழி COVID-19 பெருந்தொற்றின் பரவலை தவிர்க்க வேண்டி தயவு செய்து ரயிலில் பயணம் செய்யும் போது பிறருடன் அல்லது கைபேசியை பேசாதீர்கள்.
morning everyone. So as you can see by the right earlier, I'm on 069070. So basically how the train came in, it was on a loan for BSD. Since BSD had insufficient trains, it came from CSG. And then it's a really long story. And then after that, it continued on. It ran full day on Saturday, but then by the time I wanted to catch it, before I wanted to catch it, they got redrawn at Kill. So my chance was up, but then they rested for a few days, fixed its issues. And then today it came out as a full day slot again on 232. The reason why I'm rushing to catch this because this train goes back to UPD later. Not only UPD, it goes like after PM, so which gives it a higher time frame for it to go to like TWAS, transfer to TWAS. So I'm really scared it goes. So yeah, I'm catching it. Really good motor here, even though it's D-cell, since 3070 is leading. We need 69 to lead, so we get XL. So I could have took the train behind, 2 trains behind. It's 47, 48. So I could have took like the Bukit Batok, then intercept, because there's a very short turnaround time. So if I wait at Bukit Batok, wait for this, take the one behind, wait for this to turn back southbound, I could have done that since 047, the 2 trains behind. Northbound's XL, so I like XL, so I'm basically doing the reverse. But anyways, that's beside the point. Yeah, we're gonna catch 047, 048 after this. There are also a lot on KSF. Like this week has been more than 10, like every day 12 to 14. So yeah, I didn't get to catch the last few days, so I'm finally here. Good D-cell. I like that D-cell. It's like so nice. Not the strongest, but like really nice. You know what I mean? Okay, bye 6970. Now on to 047, 048. Okay, so I'm on 047, 048 now. Okay, so this train is running as 233, which will go to BSD via second last train to Toa. Earlier this slot was 0506. That would have been better. I would have taken it like with no regrets. But now this one's meh. I don't really want to take it. But it's still something I like. It's one of my like KHI C. This train was really stupid because this train was running on 234. So like right after it ended AM, it went to replace the 0506. I don't know what this logic is. That's the Fuji Thrasher or robotic too. Okay, I don't remember the D-cell and XL to be so strong like that. You cannot really hear it, but now this train is much stronger than it used to be. Last time I took it, I don't remember it to be so short. Maybe it's because I'm not standing in a motor car last time, but it's really short. I was standing like that, look here a bit. I don't remember it to be that short. Even the XL is really short from what I watched. Hello guys, look what I got. I got 057, 058. At least if I didn't catch the other British, I gotta catch this British, the BR315. I'll be doing a little bit of a moto thing. We're recording the moto once it leads SB because that's when it'll be XL. Now it's trash. Okay, since we're going southbound and 058 is leading, I'm gonna be showing you the XL trash because it's very good. Alright guys, here we go. The announcements are so spoiled, so...
Next station, Kranji.
Alright guys, you heard it there. It's so good, but it cannot meet up to 005 standards, but it can be differentiated with other motors. With this, you can still tell it's a British motor. So really great, really unique. Announcements are just bugging out. You know what, since that was so good, I'm gonna do it one more time. Okay, here we go again. Okay, speed restrictions are. Why? normal strong motors don't really understand. I don't know, just like if you understand 129130. So a few things about this train. Firstly, it's doing 260, which means it's a lazy train, which means it will reach JE right at 8 p.m. So by then, when it reaches, it will go straight to UPD. Secondly, this train has new replaced a lot of top stickers. They replaced the hush hush handle thing. This is my first time seeing these stickers. I mean, on board. I see like some of KSF that had it, but like I haven't been on any trains because like the past non-KSF I've been on, they all still have the old stickers. Thirdly, this train has very bad flat wheels. Right where it departs, you can hear. It's really bad. The shock motor starts ruined, even though there's not much shock motor. But hear that. It's like constant chopping. It's freaking annoying. Last catch of the day, guys. 43044. It's running 438, so it's doing first up Tokyo Mile, and then it'll withdraw to BSD from there. Really good set. I almost made this man. Alright guys, it's 2 weeks later. I forgot to outro this vlog like I always do. But overall, really great video. I got around 069070, which rarely stepped into NSL. Somewhat I was doing full day at the time of recording. Fun fact, it was actually on NSL till like a few days ago. Stayed for 2 weeks. Really good run. Yeah, I did a few full days. Good thing I caught it on the first day, cause like you never know if it will come back, which it did. But other catches in this video were also really good. 043, 057, 047, whatever other trades I caught, this was a really good vlog, honestly. The most non-KSF I've ever caught in like one vlog. There was actually more like one other vlog, but a really good one, like I said. Thanks for watching, everyone. More videos to come of my reps, of other rare sets. I have a lot of rare sets planned, and they are mostly on NSLs recently. So thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.